Okay, class, we're back here in Alabama. Ah, sweet home Alabama. Nice place to be. But anyways, we have a new student coming today. And also, tomorrow there isn't gonna probably be any school because we're gonna be snowed out.
Oh, well, that's great. It'll be fun playing in the snow.
Yeah, it will be, and I'll be playing in the snow too. But anyways, let's hear it for the new student.
We haven't had a new student since, me. Hey, look, it's the new student! Woohoo! Hey guys, I'm Twisted Wolf. What's your name? What's y'all's names? Well, I'm Scrap Baby.
And I'm Twisted Freddy. And I'm Funtime Foxy. And I'm Pupsy. And this is Rudy. Hi. We did have other students like Blacklight Freddy and Mew, but yeah, they're gone now.
Well, what happened to them?
They were both captured.
Oh, well, that's sad to hear. Well, I'm glad to be joining this class today, so yay.
Okay, guys, today we're going to teach you about the science of coins. Oh, perfectly cute, too. Can anybody tell me how much each of these coins are worth?
I think they're all worth about $50.
That's correct, Twisted Wolf. They're $50, which means we have... Whatever, can anybody guess how many, there are and how much they're worth?
There are exactly 12, which means there are $6 here.
That's correct, Scrappy B. Anyways, I bet none of y'all can guess what these are made of. I think they're made out of silver. That's correct, Pupsy. Well, I see you guys know a lot about $50, and you should also know that these are incredibly rare coins, so I'm not giving any to you. Well, that's it for class. You are all dismissed from school.
Woohoo! Hey guys, look, there's a lamb. I'm gonna ride it. There's a magical lambie flying through the sky. Ah! Trust me, that was getting really annoying. Ah! Okay, everybody, thank you for coming to my house. I'm very glad you're all here. Anyways, let's party! Hey, anybody here wanna, ride this lamb down the hill?
I will!
Yeah!
Oh yeah, let's go, lamb! That was awesome! Wait, what? Guys, get down here!
Huh? I hear Pepsi, let's all get down here! Yeah. What do you need, Pupsy?
Well, I just so happened to see this down here, and it kind of looks suspicious.
Oh, but this place.
This is where... I don't know, I've always come down here sometimes, and it's always made me feel familiar. It's a familiar place to me, but I just can't put my finger around what it is and what it means. It's a dark place, and I don't know. I wonder what this button does. Guys, this place is dangerous. We gotta get out of here. I'm right with you. Let's all get out of here.
Come on, Twisted! Wolf, we gotta get out of here! No, I gotta stay here. It's too familiar to me. Come on! Twisted Wolf, we gotta go! My house, it's destroyed. It's gone. I can't believe it. I don't have a place to live.
Hey, Twisted Wolf.
Yeah? What do you want?
Well, since you don't have a place to live, you could bunk with me.
Really?
Well, yeah, if you want to.
I'd be glad to. I guess all my stuff was destroyed in the fire except a few things, but yeah, can we go now?
Well, sure.
Yay! I have a place to live now. I have a place to live now. I have a place to live now. Bye, Lemmy. Yay!